Okay guys, how are you doing? I hope you're doing well. Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this session, we are going to cover the power of filter method in Django model. How you can use it to update it, to delete and search things in Django model. For this case, we have two model author and the model article. The model author contains information of authors who are the article's creator, while the model article contains information about article and the ID of author. So we start with selecting information with specific needed information by using filter. So on terminal, write python manage.py shell. Okay, after that, we needed to import model author and a model article. So let's say that we want to select all username from model author. So the command will be like this. Okay, so this is select all username from model author. So let me convert them to Python list, then I'll print them on terminal. So as you can see, we are able to select all username from model author. Okay, so that is. So another thing we can do is how we can select multiple column. Here we have just selected a single column which is username. So in the second equal, let's select the first name and the last name from model author. How are we going to do this? The changes is like this. So here in value list, let's change. Let me say this is the first name, okay? And also I want to select all first name and the last name from model author. So that is the first name and this is the last name. Okay. So here I can say name list. Let me just do like this. You can see I'm able to select first name and the last name. First name is Noel, last name is Moses. As you can see here, first name is Noel and the last name is Moses. So that is how you can select multiple column from model. Okay. So now let's say we want to select a specific user, okay, with ID. We want to select only needed column from model by using user ID. Let's say select first name and the last name where user ID is equal to 2. Okay, select from author, select first name and the last name from model author where ID is equal to 2. So how do we do this? So here is very simple. We can do like this. Okay. Okay, I want this, select first name and last name. Okay. Filter, let me say ID is equal to 2. Okay. Okay, then you print. As you can see, select the first name and the last name where user ID is equal to 2. So as you can see, the first name is Davdi and the last name is Moses. And here, as you can see, user with ID 2 has the first name Davdi and the last name Moses. So this is how you can select specific column by using ID in Django. So the next thing we can do is, let's say we want to select let me say select all from model author where last name is equal to Moses. Okay, I hope I'll get this and this. Okay, so it will be select all. Okay, select all. This is first name. Here I can say last name where last name is equal to Moses. Okay. Let me see. Select all from, so I expect Moses and David. Okay, as you can see here, David and Moses, these are the two users who has the last name Moses. Okay, I can also do something like this, maybe select all user from model author where first name is equal to David. So let me change here. Okay, where first name is equal to David. Okay, so what we expect is user David and Frederick from the query set result. So let me do something here. Let me try out to print them. You can see the selected user is David and Moses. So let me say that I want to select all from model article where title is exactly hello world. Okay, so this is going to be my query. Okay, select all from model article where title is exactly hello world. So let me print article list. As you can see here, we have two articles with the title hello world. As you can see, we have this title and this. But I can say that select all from article where description contains my SQL. Okay, so how I can do this is I can change only a few things here. I can say my SQL, and here I can say description. Description contains, okay, then you print the article. You can see there is only one article, which is my SQL installation. Okay, this one. So we have covered the contains and exactly. So another thing we can do here, let me see authors. Okay, I can say select all from, select username from model author where username start with M. Okay, so I can say author list. Okay, M, then values list, return the username of all username which start with M. Okay, so here I can say username, get the username of all author where their username starts with M. You can see. So let me print. Okay, so let me print author list. You can see there is Moses and Maria. Okay, and here, as you can see from model, these are the two user, or these are the two author who their username starts with M. But I can also use end with. Let me say select all from author where last name ends with N. I expect to get Flaviana. Okay, so here I can say ends with okay, let me say N, get the username, print. Oh, there's no a user which ends with N. Okay, let me do something. Not username. my target is last name. So you can see there is user Marie. Okay. Last name ends with N. End with M. Oh, excuse me, guys. It should be last name so Flaviana. Okay, Flaviana has the last name ends with N. So we have covered it contains start with, end with, and exactly. So that's it. So and another thing we're going to cover is how you can use the power filter method to delete. So let me say delete from author where user ID is equal to 4. Okay. So how can I do this? I can say dot filter. Let me delete everything from here. Dot filter ID is equal to 4. All right. Then dot delete. No need to put this because we don't want to return anything. Okay, once I come up here and refresh, you will see user Marie Anie is deleted. That's it. So another thing we can do, let me say we want to update. Okay, update age, okay, of user author Flaviana from 23 to 30. Okay, so here what I can do, let me show you. First of all, let me delete this. Okay, here I can say filter by username is username is equal to Flaviana. Okay, Flaviana dot update. Update what you want to update. I can say I want to update age to 30, or let me say 40. Okay, let me update salary to yes, something like that. Oh, okay, sorry guys, I got typo error. Update, something like that. So once I come here, you will see user Flaviana will have age of 40 and a salary of 50 USD dollars. Can see 40. So this actually sum up the end of today's session, how you can use the power of filter method in Django to perform different data manipulation like deleting, updating, and a powerful selecting. So I hope you have enjoyed. If you have any comment, just comment. I've purchased the new microphone, so you can comment how do you see the quality of voice, but also I have purchased the new webcam. So put comment on the quality of the content and how you have understood. Don't forget to like, put comment, share, and subscribe. This is Moses and Learn Python. See you in the next session, guys.